How to restore old WhatsApp chat. Welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this video. To start off, launch a WhatsApp application. Make sure that your application is up to date and you are logged in. From here, tap on the three dot icon and head to Settings and select Chat. Right here, select the option of Chat Backup, then tap on Backup. Mind it will take a while depending upon the file size and your internet connection. Also note that the backup will only work if you were already connected to one of your Google account. You can also include videos and backup over cellular data. One of the prominent features is that you can select the frequency of a backup. To never miss out any of the backup, you can select daily, weekly, or monthly backup. It is for your own convenience so that you never lose any of the important conversation. Now this is a quick and easy process. However, if you face any of the bug issue, follow this next step. Exit from your WhatsApp application and open up your phone setting. From here, scroll down and select the option of Apps. Tap on All Apps and go to WhatsApp. Select the option of Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. Note that do not clear cache when your WhatsApp is backing up. Only do this process after the backup is done. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.